how to manage Netflix profiles and parental controls. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can use that feature. So let's just get started. For that, what you can do is go ahead and access your Netflix website or application first. And once you access it, go to your profile in the top right corner. After you go to your profile, you will be finding this section right here where you can manage your profiles or similar depending upon the device. You can go ahead and look out for the profile that you would like to add the parental controls, or you can even add up a profile. And once you do so, you will be finding this section right here where you can manage your profile and preferences. So here you can select up the option called delete profile, or apart from that, you can go ahead and use parental controls. You can select the option for managing the profile and go there and look out for profile and parental controls. After you go there, you can set up a viewing restrictions. So under viewing restrictions, find the title restrictions of block titles, and you can enter the name of the show or the movie that you want to block and save up the changes and set up a pin on auto profiles to prevent unauthorized access. This also applies when creating new profiles and requiring pin for setup. And that is it. You may follow up the same process for other profile as well, and that way you can manage Netflix profiles and parental controls. So therefore, if you'd also like to manage Netflix profiles and parental controls, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up